Ivy, and I'm sure you're all bored and stuck at home because of the coronavirus. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make fries. Now, you probably bought potatoes because you were panicking at the grocery store. So here's a video to beat boredom. What you're going to do is you're going to dice some potatoes. Now, if you make them too big, then you can just slice off part of it. Or another way is, see, this one could be 2 fries instead. So just cut it in half. And then after that, you're going to want to wash your potatoes and then leave them in a water bath. That's it for 30 minutes, and during that, me and my mom are going to make some TikToks.
Touch this. Touch this. Touch this.
Okay, now that your potatoes have sit for 30 minutes, you are going to find a tool to get the potatoes out of the oil, because no one uses their hands. And then you're going to fill the bottom of a pot with oil. I used coconut oil that I'm going to melt over the burner. Now you're going to take your fries and you're going to dry them off with a paper towel. Scatter them all over and just kind of dry them off. You're going to take your fries and drop them in there. And you're only going to leave them in there for a few seconds before taking them out. Maybe like 30 seconds less. Kind of let them bubble. Move them around so you can kind of see them. And when they start to look kind of brown, you're going to want to take them out. And after that, you're going to fry them a second time, but only fry these in small batches. Because if you do them all at once, you're not going to be able to tell what you're doing at all. Fried your fries. I'm going to stick them on a pan and I'm going to put them in the oven at 350 for about 5 minutes maybe. There you have it, fries.